Imagine a rich, hearty stew, brimming with tender chunks of beef, sweet onions, vibrant peppers, and juicy tomatoes. Each spoonful carries a burst of flavor, a harmony of spices with an unmistakable hint of paprika, the signature of a classic Hungarian goulash. This traditional dish, served with noodles or crusty bread, warms your soul and fills your stomach, taking you on a culinary journey to the heart of Hungary. First, gather the ingredients. You'll need about 2 pounds of beef chuck, a couple of onions, a bell pepper, 2 tomatoes, 4 cloves of garlic, and a few spices. The spices include 2 tablespoons of sweet paprika, a teaspoon each of caraway seeds and marjoram, and a dash of salt and pepper. Now, on to the cooking. Start by cutting the beef into bite-sized pieces. Choose a large pot, heat a bit of oil, and brown the beef on all sides. This process seals in the juices and gives the goulash its rich, meaty flavor. Once browned, remove the beef and set it aside. In the same pot, add the finely chopped onions. Cook them until they're soft and golden, releasing their sweetness. This is where the magic begins. Then add the minced garlic, followed by the bell pepper and tomatoes, both diced. Stir them together, letting the flavors meld. Next comes the spice parade. Sprinkle in the paprika, caraway seeds, and marjoram. The heat will awaken the spices, their aroma filling your kitchen. Return the browned beef to the pot, stir everything together, and then pour in enough water to cover the ingredients. Now it's time for a slow simmer. Cover the pot and let it gently bubble away for about 2 hours. This slow cooking process allows the beef to become tender and the flavors to fully develop. And there you have it. A pot of traditional Hungarian goulash, ready to be ladled onto a bed of noodles or served with a slice of crusty bread. This dish is a testament to the beauty of simple ingredients and patient cooking, resulting in a stew that's both comforting and deeply satisfying. To recap, this Hungarian goulash recipe involves browning beef, sautéing onions, garlic, bell pepper, and tomatoes, adding a mix of spices, and then simmering everything together until the beef is tender and the flavors are well combined. A perfect dish for a cozy dinner or a family gathering, this goulash is sure to impress with its robust flavors and heartwarming qualities. So, venture into the world of Hungarian cuisine and experience the delectable journey that is goulash. This isn't just a dish, it's a culinary experience, a piece of Hungarian heritage brought to life in your kitchen. Happy cooking!